Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Google Play credit is visible. Check the balance in the Play Store. Sign in to the exact Google account that Bgmi uses because purchases tie to that account. Once done, make sure in-app purchases are enabled and Bgmi is updated, so the payment flow is current. This avoids account mismatches and failed transactions. If you use a payment profile or family payment method, verify limits and currency settings now to prevent conversion or authorization issues. You now open Bgmi, go to the shop, and pick the UC bundle you want. Select the precise denomination. Next, choose Google Play as the payment method. Check the displayed price, taxes, and any regional variants before confirming. When the Play Store prompt appears, approve the transaction using your PIN, password, or fingerprint. Wait for the Play Store to report success. Bgmi will usually credit UC automatically. If a network prompt appears, switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You finish by confirming the UC shows in Bgmi. If it doesn't appear, close the game and restart, because the client often needs a relog to sync purchases. If Play Store shows the charge but Bgmi lacks credit, check your Play order history and use the restore or refund flow. Keep the Play receipt handy. If problems persist, contact Bgmi support and provide the Play order ID and a screenshot. One tip: do not repurchase immediately. Wait for the transaction to settle to avoid duplicate charges.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.